Bill 622.90. Come on, you. The box is down to 40.2. Started at 65. Coming down good. I'd say the box is fixed. We finished. All the stuff's picked up. Nice and quiet, other than that noisy hood bit over there. It needs bearings and belts and some other stuff for it. But that should take care of it. New compressor, new dryer, new service valves. That's one of the service valves, the other one's on the dryer. That way you can check the Freon properly next time without having to worry about it. Looks like she's in good shape. Video in.